everybody, my name is Catherine and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making like Play-Doh slime stuff. So what you'll need is put the cornstarch in a bowl. Mixing bowl. Put that in there. Come on, come out of there. And okay, anyways. So then you're going to mix your conditioner in with that. That looks good. Oh, it smells so good. Okay. It's time to get her hands dirty. Wow. It's just so soft. What do you want, phone? Someone texted me. I can't answer right now. I'm filming whoever you are. Whoa, that is. Oh my gosh. It's so hard. I need to stand up so guys. Oh my gosh, this feels so cool. And look at this, guys. I really wish you could feel this. You can feel this if you make it. Now this video was inspired by, what's her name? Pins and Things. I just saw her today and I subscribed to her. So shout out to you, girl. And this does feel amazing. It is so soft. And I'll link that video in the description if you want to go watch it to see the original. And like, oh my gosh, guys, this is incredible. Holy free, holy, oh, whoa, guys, and I have a lot of it. I'm successful of making a blob of stuff. Whoa, look at that, guys. It's like slime and Play-Doh. I said that 4 times, probably. Look. It is just so, I can't even explain it. Like, it's like sticky, but it's not sticky. You know what I mean? No, you probably don't. It's like, I just don't know how to explain it. Like, here, let me see if I can get you close up. Get off of me. Watch. It's like, it feels like a squishy. Like one of those slow rising squishies, but it never rises. Well, I should probably stop dropping it. Like, I can't even. So, ooh. Makes your hands soft too. Wow. Whoa. Okay. I should probably stop doing that. This was a short video. Probably not. But this was a short video. And I'm sorry about that. But it was a really easy, simple thing to do. Smack that baby. Anyways. So that is it for this video for today, guys. I hope you liked it, and if you did like it, give it a thumbs up for me, please. That would be amazing. And if you made this, comment down below, because I want to share this experience with someone. Like, it is so amazing. Like, so amazing. Wow. And, okay, don't drop this on carpet. It will never come out. And so, yeah, that's it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to become part of my YouTube army. And thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Pop. Wow.
May